Good morning, to all my dear students. Welcome to TAPOSHI Education Tutorial. Today I am here to provide you with some precious information about the topic chromatography. So let's start our today's class.
We will learn chromatography, types of chromatography, working functions of chromatography, application of chromatography. Let's start. Chromatography. The term chromatography is formed from the Latin word chroma, means color, and graphy, means writing. The term chromatography means writing, analyzing, identifying, separating and characterizing mixtures or compounds which can be separated through common methods of separation. Mr. Tazwick, in 1906 discovered this technique to separate the plant pigments. There are several chromatography techniques developed recently. Thin layer chromatography, TLC, gas liquid chromatography, GLC, high performance liquid chromatography, HPLC, and paper chromatography.
Working function of chromatography. The separation of substance is based on the fact that every substance, solute, will have different solubility on a given solvent due to difference in rate of dissolution. The different solute moves to the stationary phase at different rate, speed. The individual component of mixture separate according to in their movement through the stationary phase. Separating components can be detected or collected, depending on the particular chromatograph technique involved. The simplest and most common technique of chromatographic separation is paper chromatography. Applications of chromatography. 1. Chromatography is used to separate the solute dissolved in a solution. For example, colors in a dye and drugs from blood. 2. Forensic scientists use the chromatographic separation to identify the substance which are present in traces. For example, poison. 3. Chemists use the technique to separate small amount of product. Thanks for watching our video till the end. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel and stay with us.